Now, I will show you how it's possible this type of creating image. Go to Google and search Ideogram AI. Then click first one. Logging with Google account. Then continue. Create profile. Start creating. Then go to ChatGPT. Then type, I want prompt regarding my name logo from Ideogram. Then copy one prompt from here. Then paste it here in description. Set aspect ratio. Then type what you want name here. Then press generate. It will take some time for creating. See the result. How it's look. For images created in different type. Right click then save to computer. More prompt have in description. Go to try different image.